Okay, solve the equation for the variable. Now, this is going to have two answers, okay, that you need to find. It's down there. So, you make your line, okay. Now, we need to get rid of the minus the plus 3 first. We have to get the y to the second by itself, okay. So we need to get rid of plus 3 with minus 3, okay. So that's the only operation we have to get rid of before the y to the second's by itself. So 28 minus 3 is 25. Now what does y to the second mean? It means y times y, okay? So we have to figure out what times itself is 25, okay? So is it 1 times 1? No. 2 times 2? No. 3 times 3? No. 4 times 4? No. 5 times 5 is 25, okay? Okay, so it could be 5, but also on the bottom it could be negative 5 times negative 5, okay? So that's going to be 20. That's also 25. So again, 5 and negative 5. Okay, next one. 6 times n to the second equals 150, okay? So over here is my variable to the second power. So if I have a multiplication, I'm going to circle it, and I have to get rid of the times 6, and I'm going to divide by 6. Okay, so n to the second. Don't forget to the second. That's very important that you put that n to the second power. So divided by 6 is 25. We just had, I didn't do this on purpose, okay? It's not always 25, okay? So n times n equals 25. Okay. So is it 1? No. We already did this. I can't believe I have another one. 9, 4, 5. Okay. So, but it could also be negative 5 times negative 5. So it's either 5 or negative 5. Didn't mean to do that, but it did. Okay. Next one, 7 times m to the second plus 3 equals 703, okay? So I have m on this side, so I want to circle my multiplication. So I know I have to get rid of the plus 3 first with minus 3. Then I have to get rid of the times 7 with divided by 7, okay? So 700, then we have 7 times m to the second. Then you divide by 7. That gets rid of your times 7. Okay, so 700 divided by 7 is going to be 100, okay? And then m to the second I write as m times m, and I got to figure out what number times itself would be 100. No, nope, 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 nope. It's coming, so nope. 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 Okay, there we go. 10 times 10 is 100. Okay, so it's 10. So 10, 10. So 10's one answer, but it could also be negative 10 times negative 10. That's also 100. Okay, negative 2 times x to the second minus 8 equals negative 106. Okay. So we got x to the second here with its multiplying of negative 2. So we have to take out the minus 8 first with plus 8. Then we got to take out the times negative 2 with divide by negative 2. Okay, so I have plus 8 and plus 8. So I have equals, so you got negative 2 times x to the second. And again, so I take negative 106 plus 8, and that's negative 100. Or sorry, no, that's wrong. Negative 106 plus 8 is negative 98. And I divide each side by the negative 2. So negative 98 divided by negative 2 is 49. Okay, so I write that as x. X the second means x times x equals 49. So 1 times 1, no. 2 times 2, no. 3 times 3, nope. Times 4, nope, nope, nope. Okay, so it's 7 times 7, okay. So 7, and also negative 7 times negative 7. So 7 and negative 7 are your two answers.